Hey Cosmo. How you doing? Wait, Cosmo, can you hear me? I repeat, if you hear me, type glorp in chat. Glorp. Properties. First login date for each player. Oh my gosh. Jumly boy, hello, how are you doing tonight? Can everyone hear me? Oh, okay, that's good, that's good. Okay, good to hear that people can hear me. But yeah, I do coding. I actually studied geography, data science. Ask Cosmo. Cosmo would know. Oh, no, no worries, Cosmo. Do your thing. Watch with your friends. But yeah, I studied data science, but my preferred method of data analysis code is SQL. Ooh, okay. So I'm just gonna try and solve a few problems just to practice. Ooh, okay. Honestly, it's not too much for to figure out SQL once you kind of get the baseline for it, because a lot of the sites that you do see today. No. But yeah, for a lot of SQL queries, there's a bunch of hidden SQL queries that are already in the sites that you use, such as advanced filtering. So when you say that you want to search for a particular video, Voynich manuscript. Ooh, an interesting lead. Wow. That's gotta be interesting. But yeah, for SQL coding in general, honestly, once you kind of like get the general logical principle of it, such as like, okay, for the example I was giving was searching a particular, maybe let's say we're on Amazon and we're searching for a particular item, maybe like computer gear, so or maybe microphones. So you search on, you would go to the search engine and type in microphone, and then maybe the query would be like, okay, select this kind of like this particular item, from like select this item, and then from this particular table, which would probably be product, and then where this particular field would be like the term microphone, and then maybe it would have additional code for, or maybe if it was coded in Python, then it would also be able to recommend system, like have a recommender system of like products or products that are frequently bought with it. JSON files? JSON files mentioned? JSON files mentioned among the couch? I love JSON files. JSON files are literally one of my favorite to work with as a Geodat major. Oh my gosh, but first login date of any for each player where first login date. Event date, ascend limit 1. And event date as first login. I'm gonna try and see if this would actually return code first. Markuga, hello! I saw that you followed earlier. Thank you so much. I'm doing well, thank you. Event. Okay. Let me try and see if this would work in SQL Server instead. Voynich manuscript has been around since the 1300s, which is insane to think about. Okay. Sure it has something to do with the date over here. Basically need to get to background, triple checked, 15 forms of ID, entry permits to get your hands on the physical copy. There are high-resolution scans. Oh, I remember hearing about the Voynich manuscripts. I don't know much of the details, but honestly, it sounds really interesting. Gonna check the solutions for this because sometimes I don't necessarily know how to stream. Oh, you came from TikTok. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, okay, right. I would need a group by player ID. Group by player ID. Oh, a PDF. But Markuga also, thank you for your support. Oh, right, okay. Oh, wait, okay. So, from activity, and then Um, oh, that makes so much sense. Oh yeah, this would be like a simple solution, wouldn't it? Okay, yeah, I think I was overthinking things for this particular problem. But yeah, it's a simple query, and I love SQL. Hmm. I do love Leak Code and how it's formatted. Show you the AI website thing I made relating to music stuff. Oh, you made a website? Yo, whisper it to me. Customer referee. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so we have this table called customer. And honestly, with this, I don't mind going through my thought process so that you guys can also learn SQL as well. Because I find SQL probably one of the easiest coding languages to get into, but only if you're really into data analysis and data mining, which maybe not everybody's into, but I would say pretty simple if you want to dip your toes in to also understanding coding logic as well. Oh, okay, there we go. Forgot to lock my window capture. Okay, so we have this, the select and from statement. These are the ones here that you'll be using in every query, literally every query, or almost literally every query, um, unless you're editing tables or making or designing databases, then typically these two statements are going to be your guideline. So we look at this table called customer, and because it's from customer, you can immediately put select from customer. And then to effectively solve this problem, it's finding out what they're asking for. So find the names of the customers that are either referred by any customer or not referred by any customer. So maybe to see what we're working with, they have this example for the input. So this is what the output is meant to look like. Made an AI that is able to analyze any song and analyze more than just basic parameters like characteristics and pitch and frequency. Oh, okay. Oh wait, what language did you use to code it in Among the Couch? Because that sounds really interesting. I think. Oh wow. Then able to suggest changes to get possible outcome relating to tags based around data collected. Oh, you use Python. Okay, yeah. I also I also learned data science with Python specifically, but I've also used RStudio to code. And maybe one of these days I'll also do a session where instead of just doing Leak Code over here to practice, I'll also try and create